Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn your passcode on the Dropbox application, meaning that when you want to open the application you need to type in or add this passcode or your Touch ID. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that tap on the account icon down below. Now tap on the settings option in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down till you find the passcode lock section and tap on turn passcode on. Now you need to create a passcode that you can remember easily, and then enter it. Re-enter it, and now your passcode has been turned on. So if you open it again, you need to type it in order to enter your application. If you want to turn it off, you should go back to this passcode lock section and tap on turn passcode off. To do that, in order to do that, you should type in your password again, and now your passcode is turned on, so you won't be required to type it in whenever you want to open the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.